Hi everyone, this is Aruna Arichami, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about the control structure. In that, we're going to see about the looping. Under that, we're going to solve one problem related to the gaming. So that we're going to see it as a number guessing game. So what do you mean by number guessing name? Something we have to guess that is correct or wrong that would be identified. It is an interactive program. This is a simple application, but it can be interactive program. Here, computer randomly picks a number which is specific range from 1 to 100. The player tries to guess the number by entering the guesses. For each cases, the programmer provides a feedback indicating whether the guess is too high, too low, or correct. So the game continues until the player guesses the correct number. The scenario helps us to understand the use of loop, conditional, and random number generation. So through that, we can able to demonstrate how the loop can be used and more interactively by repeating, accepting the user input from the user. So this is the how it can be. So because generally we can say whatever the computer randomly picks number, that is equal to our guess. If it is both are equal, it will shows the correct. Otherwise, it will show too high or too low. So this is the how we are getting the output from the user. So this is a condition over here. For that, I have to use the public class, that is a number guessing. I have included the two classes. One is a random, another one is a scanner. Scanner can be used to get the input from the user. The random can use it to generate the random number, because user can able to pick the random number from the system have to pick the random number. For that, I am using the random class. Through that random class, I created an object called as a random. So through that, I have created a target number, that is a machine. Your computer thinking number can be calculated, that is random not next of 100 plus 1. So guess is equal to 0, attempt equal to 0. Initially, we have to initialize. I have to display the image as a welcome a number guess game. I have chosen the number between. You have to choose a number between 1 to 100. So the test and print is try to guess it. So if your guess is equal to target number, enter the guesses number. Guesses can be stored over here. Your attempt can be incremented if you're having a log. It is a feedback. It is less than the number, it will say slow, greater than number, too high. If it is that thing, congratulations, you guess the correct number. So in this, the how it can be executed. See, through that, here I have given the 1 to 100, I have chosen the 5. So it said too high, too low. Enter the guesses is 89. It is too low. So this could be continued until you are getting the correct output. In that time itself, it can be executed. So we will see the coding, how it going to be executed. So for that, I am going to use the Java program. Here you are having a, what is that, number guessing game. So I have to store the name as number guessing game. This is my class name. So in that, I'm using a Java compiler. I have used a number guessing day dot Java. This is my extension. So I got the output as a nil output. Sorry, it doesn't have any error. So I'm running this particular program. Here, welcome to the number guessing game. I have chosen a number between 1 to 100. It is system itself, it can choose a certain number. We have to guess it over there. So it is too high. It is a high. So I have to give. It is low. Definitely it will say it is between the 44 to 57. So it is also high. So the number is between 34 to 44. So I am going to give 40. So it is also having too low. So the number is definitely between 40 to 41. So I have to give 42. So it is too high. So my number is 41. So in sixth attempt only, I can able to guess the particular number is correct. See, through that, so the loop, until I'm getting the correct input, the loop will be executed. So in this case, we are using a while loop to continue this statement. Because see here, for guessing, while guesses is not equal to target number. So again, it will flow the loop. So when it will be ended means only after getting the particular correct number, then only it will be ended the loop. So for that thing, we are using a while loop. Inside the while loop, I am also using the if else statement. Too high and too low, and also we are having to display the congratulation message for getting the correct input, correct output. For that, I'm using the for statement. Remaining thing I have used in the targeted. Once again, see here, once again, I'm executing this number. Some number is generated by the machine. So I have given the 67. It says too high. So I have to give 45. It also shows too high. So I have given a 5. It is a too high. So then definitely then my number is between 45 to 55. So I have to give a 48. So it is too low. I have to give 50. So it is also too low. So 55 means I have to give 53. So it is a too high. Definitely it could be a 52. So during the seventh attempt only, I can able to guess that particular number. Similarly, this is the one of the interesting game. You can able to use this thing. Only simple for loop or a while loop, we can able to try it out these type of numbers. Thank you for watching my video.